Hey you guys, Tamika here with NuNu Baking Essentials. And today I have a special guest with me. I have Koya from Koya's Creations.
Hello.
And this is a baker. I've actually been following her for years because I just love her work. So I am super excited to have her in the kitchen with me and to try NuNu Baking Essentials. So she's gonna teach me something new that I have not done ever. So what are we doing today, Koya?
So today we are going to be doing a sheet cupcake cake. This is a mini one, so it's only gonna have 12 cupcakes. Usually I do it with 24.
Okay.
And so we are going to make a buttercream, vanilla buttercream using the NuNu Essentials Mixer. Mine came in the mail, but I haven't used it yet.
Okay.
So you are definitely gonna have to show me some things on how to work this, but I am so excited to get to work.
Okay.
So today I'm gonna be making a vanilla buttercream. I know there's a debate between salted and unsalted butter. I use unsalted butter. I'm gonna use some powdered sugar. I'm gonna use some milk. I have some vanilla extract, just the standard. And then sometimes if it's a little too sweet, just a little pinch of salt to counteract that sweetness. But usually we don't need it. We just have it.
Okay, and it's funny that you said that about the butter because I use salted.
Really?
Yes. So I do not have to use the
So
salt.
you don't have to use the salt.
Yep.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So that counteracts your sweetness.
Yes.
Okay, I like that. But you still use everything else the same that I use. Just the salted butter is different.
And actually, the vanilla extract, I use clear.
Ah, okay, because you don't like that darker
I don't like
tint
the brown
on your.
tint to the buttercream.
That makes sense too. That makes sense too. I like it. All right, so we're about to make this buttercream, but first, we're gonna put the gloves on for the glove police. Oh, see, now you done ripped it. We're gonna put the gloves on for the glove police out there.
Right.
That don't like to see us, even though we wash our hands thoroughly all the time.
That's why we walk around with ashy hands all the time.
All the time, okay? But they still gonna have something to say. It don't matter. Let me switch my glove shop. They still gonna have something to say.
But I promise y'all, we wash off our good bacteria because we wash our hands that much.
I got ash right here in the crevices right now. All right, I'm excited for this, Tamika.
I'm excited for you to use it. I'm ready to see your reviews.
What made you want to do this?
Because of the bakers like us, just some things that just got on my nerves and drove me crazy. Like other mixers were heavy. That was my main thing. And I wanted to get something lighter where we could just pick it up. Because a lot of times you're trying to get your brother or somebody to pick this mixer up for you. And then also I wanted a bigger bowl because we do a lot of baking. So it's just different things as a baker I wanted to do. So I'm so excited to see another fellow baker use it to see if the different things that I felt like we needed, do you feel like it helps?
Well, first things first, the bigger bowl is absolutely necessary because sometimes you have to use 2 and 3 bowls to get, what you need out of other mixers. So this is definitely gonna give me what I need and more space than I need, really.
Yeah.
So,
and it cuts down on time too. That's another thing because you don't have to
wash
out
bowls,
all that good stuff.
Wash bowls to remake another batch. All right, Tamika. So you're gonna have to show me how to use this mixer now, right? But first, we're gonna put in 2 sticks of butter. Again, unsalted, salted, however you want to go. I'm using unsalted.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put 2 sticks in. Scrape that off. All right, and then I drop this down.
Yeah, you have a leather here.
Okay.
And you're just gonna push that down. If you want to see, can you see it?
Yes. Oh, yes. Okay.
So you're gonna push that down and then bring it down.
Okay, nice. And then what I do is I go ahead and add my vanilla extract. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, we'll make it work.
We're gonna keep on adding that powdered sugar.
That's what we're gonna do.
Okay. So here, this is your digital screen.
Okay.
I do manual setting.
Okay.
But if you notice, you have like your dough hook, you have your different settings that are set.
Okay.
But we're gonna go manual. And you see manuals lighting up. And then you're gonna put speed there. You can put the timer, it's totally up to you. I put the timer if I'm gonna be doing something and need to walk off and come back.
Right.
Because you don't need to overmix.
Which is great.
So yeah. And here you're just gonna turn it.
Okay.
To whatever speed. It goes up to 12 speeds.
Okay.
So what speed would you think
Let's start out at 3.
Okay.
Okay.
And there you go, start.
Okay. like. And then, so if I need to speed it up, do I hit speed again?
Hit speed again.
So hit speed again.
And then turn it up a little bit.
Turn the knob.
Other way. You turn it down. There you go. And it goes up to 12.
We love this. So, guys, I'm about to put in some powdered sugar next. I do not sift. I know there's always a debate on sifting or not sifting. I do not sift. Do you sift?
I don't sift either.
See? Okay. We like it old school.
Right.
But the good thing about it, though, still, is there is a splash guard included with this order. Usually you would need it with other mixers, but this bowl is so deep on this mixer, which is perfect, that it just works out well. So we're gonna go ahead. Okay, I know you taught me. You said hit manual with speed.
And then you need to turn your speed
down
this way.
Down.
Turn it down. You want it to 5, or you're gonna take it down?
I can do 4, and then I'll hit. Okay. Dump this powdered sugar in, and really we don't have to be careful because this bowl is again so deep, guys, that it's. You see, if I had another bowl, this would be flying back in my face right now. And I'm shaking a 2-pound bag of sugar out, and nothing is flying in my face right now. So
that is the beauty of the bowl.
We love it.
Yes.
I can tell that's going to be my favorite part so far. So then we're done with that. Now we are going to add our milk. Guys, I do not measure. You just go until you get the consistency that you desire for your buttercream.
And that's the old school bake. A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Absolutely. You want to still scrape down your sides. Scrape your sides down. Make sure you're incorporating and mixing everything well. And you're gonna see your buttercream coming together. This whisk is amazing too because it's really big and it touches on the sides of the bowl. You know, sometimes you don't really get that. So
and then it's really fast too. The speed helps a lot of it too.
I love this. And then we can hit speed again. We can turn the knob to make it go up. So right now we're at 7 speed and we're almost done mixing it. Looking really good. Okay. We'll go ahead and stop.
And I know you like the bigger bowl, but you do know I have one called the Little Bit, which has the 5-quart bowl.
What?
So it's a smaller bowl, but it still has a big impact too, though.
Okay, so what size is this bowl?
This is 10.
10 quarts. Okay, and then there's one that has 5 quarts.
Correct. And I did the 5-quart thinking of the person that don't bake a lot. They may just want to bake around the holidays for their kids. They don't bake like we bake.
Right.
So yeah, but they can still have the NuNu Baking Essentials in their kitchen and in their home.
Thinking big. Okay, so we're gonna, we gotta do the lever, right?
Go down.
Down.
There you go.
And then we lift this back. And guys, it gives like a little error code on here to let you know when your lid, your top is not closed all the way down or when you open it. So that's also a great thing, a great feature to have. That error code that it's gonna give you. So we're just cleaning off the whisk, getting all the buttercream off of it before we go over to our cupcakes.
Okay.
All right, and we just lift this out. This is a great bowl. Really, a really great bowl. So we're gonna get some of our buttercream and we're gonna scoop it into our piping bag. And it's always easier when you put a cup to hold up your bag. So that way it makes it easier for you to scoop. And you can just scoop that out of the way. And so what we do is we're gonna just kind of follow the edges around a little.
Okay.
Like this. All the way around.
And can you use any piping tip, or you have one particular one you like to use?
So usually I use the circular piping tip without this French tip design to it, so that it's just a smooth circle all the way around. But you're gonna smooth it out anyway, so it should work out. And then what you're gonna do is just go back and forth throughout this cupcake cake, up and down in lines, just to kind of cover your cupcakes. And then what we do is we take our spatula and we're gonna just smooth this out like this. Okay. Smooth it all the way out. All right. And then we take it one step further.
Okay.
And we take our trusted icing smoother.
Okay.
Bench scraper, as some people would call it. And we're just gonna go straight across the top. Just to make a smooth, straight topping for whatever you decide to put on top. Sometimes you can put wording on top. You can put your kids' favorite cartoon characters on top. You know how Sam's used to put the little colorful balloons that we all hate so bad because the flavor is disgusting. You can put that on top. It just varies based on what you'd like to put on top. But for you, we are going to put an edible image.
Oh, okay.
NuNu's baking on top.
That's a surprise. I like that.
So because your image is vertical like this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this the long way and we're gonna place it on here like that.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of just eyeball to see where we should trim so that it's not hanging over the edges.
Okay.
And we just kind of cut that off because you want it to lay flush to your sheet cupcake cake. So then when you peel it off, you can just kind of cover the edges up.
Okay.
And this is edible. This is a sugar sheet, so it is edible. So no, I'm not putting paper on top of the cupcakes.
Right.
All right. And then this part, we know you got down pat. What we do is we just pipe a little clam shell design like so, all around the edges.
Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited about this NuNu Baking Essentials.
So we just keep on going all the way around. And then when we get to that corner, of course, we turn.
Okay. Basically, just keep going.
Just pipe it all the way around. So again, similar to that sheet cake that we used to get when we were younger. You know, Mom would go to the store and get us that store-bought sheet cake. And it just always had this kind of clamshell look around the edges.
Okay.
Gonna do the last edge here.
I don't know the shell. Look, the shell, I don't be doing it all right. Look at it.
It's okay.
Okay.
All right, perfect. See, no, it turned out nice. Look at you talking down about yourself. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is just add some sprinkles that are in your brand kind of colors.
Okay.
Just to kind of go along the edges. So you can just sprinkle as liberally as you'd like. Just to add a little extra touch to it.
Then we gotta add a little razzle dazzle.
Exactly. And it just makes it easier for the guests to be able to pull their cupcake out, no cake cutting. And then what we do is we just kind of shake this a little bit so the sprinkles kind of go to whichever side. Easy to handle for party guests. You don't have to worry about anyone picking up the cake and being like, oh my God, I messed up the cake. I was driving too fast or it melted or...
Yeah, or you hit a bump.
Do we know the same people? So literally, it's so easy.
Look, Baker's Block coming soon.
Woo! Let's talk about the disasters of it all.
Right.
So yes, this works out perfectly. And again, for businesses, branding purposes, you can get your logos on it. So this just works out good. And your mixer is perfect because this just made this process so easy to do. So I love it. I'm excited.
Well, thank you so much for coming with me today and hanging out with me and using NuNu Baking Essentials.
It was my pleasure. Thank you.